In a groundbreaking move that's sending shockwaves through the electric vehicle (EV) industry, China's National Development and Reform Commission (NDRC) has announced a fierce crackdown on unfair competition and deceptive practices plaguing the market. Zheng Bei, the deputy head of the NDRC, delivered a stern warning at the recent China EV 100 forum in Beijing, emphasizing that companies engaging in unreasonable price cuts and misinformation campaigns will face severe consequences. The Chinese EV market, bustling with around 50 players, from giants like BYD to ambitious startups, has been embroiled in a brutal price war. This relentless competition has left most companies operating at a loss, with only 3 domestic firms, BYD, Li Auto, and Huawei-backed Ado, managing to turn a profit. Zheng Bei's message was unequivocal. The era of reckless price slashing and misleading consumers is over. The NDRC is set to collaborate with relevant authorities to implement stringent policies, strengthen price monitoring, and urge car makers to exercise self-discipline in pricing strategies. While specific penalties were not disclosed, the government's intent to restore order and fairness in the market is crystal clear. This decisive action follows the China Passenger Car Association's (CPCA) recent adjustment of its EV sales forecast, now predicting a 3.5% increase to 16.1 million units this year. With EV sales in China accounting for over 60% of total deliveries, the government's intervention aims to stabilize and invigorate this critical sector. However, challenges loom on the horizon. The EV industry is grappling with excess capacity, especially after the US and EU imposed punitive tariffs to limit Chinese-made cars in their markets. According to Goldman Sachs, China's EV manufacturers possess an annual production capacity of approximately 20.2 million units, yet only half of this capacity was utilized last year. As the Chinese government steps in to rein in the chaos and promote fair competition, the global EV landscape watches closely. Will these measures usher in a new era of stability and profitability, or are we witnessing the calm before another storm in the ever-evolving EV saga? Stay tuned for more electrifying updates on this developing story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest in global automotive news.